Hello everyone, my name is Shah Manavat and I welcome all of you once again to the series of Ratio and Proportion. This is lecture number 3 of Ratio and Proportion. In previous 2 lectures, we have discussed some techniques to attempt ratio questions, how to solve the ratio questions and scaling property. I am going to use those techniques and strategy in today's lecture to solve some practice questions. These questions have been taken from previous year. They are very similar to the previous year exam questions. Alright, so do not skip anything, watch this video completely. Okay, one more request. When I am solving the question, you can pause the video, look at the question and try solving by yourself first. And let's see whether our answers are matching or not. Alright, so let's start with question number 1. Here is question number 1, which says a bag contains certain number of coins of different denominations. What are the denominations? We'll see. The ratio of number of coins of 1 rupee and 2 rupees. So these are the denominations. First two denomination is rupee 1 and rupees 2. They are in ratio, number of coins are in ratio 5:7. Okay, so don't take it like 1 and 2. It is not in 1:2. I'm not a big fan of assuming variables, so I usually write as it is. So this is number of coins now, and you also know we are not going to gain anything writing extra steps. So write steps as less as possible. That is going to save you a lot of time. So number of coins. Keep in mind number of coins. Ratio of number of coins. Rupee 1 and rupees 2, 5:7. Then we got the number of coins of rupees 2 and rupees 5. They are in ratio 7:6. Right? So rupees 2 and rupees 5. They are in ratio 7:6. All right. Find the total number of coins, total value of rupees 5 coins. Total value, it's not number of coins, total value. What is the difference here? See, if I say I got 3 coins of rupees 5, how much value does it have? It has value of rupees 15. So this is your value, okay, and this is the number of coin. This is the number of coins. I hope I'm making sense here. Yes, very good. Okay, so we need to find out the value. But for value, first we need to find out the number of coins, right? And then just multiply by its denomination and you get the value of coins, right? For that, we have additional information which says the total value of rupees 1 coin in bag is rupees 15. Yes, I'm sure you must have got the key of solving this question. So for rupee 1, we have been given the value. This is making rupees 15. So how many coins should be there to make the value as rupees 15? So how many 1 rupee coins should be there to make it rupees 15 as value? Yes, of course, there should be 15 coins. 1 rupee coin, if you have 15 coins, that gives you 15 rupees. So this statement is giving us the number of coins here. So by this statement, we got the number of coins which rupee 1 has. All right. Now, I hope you remember the scaling property. At left hand side, if you got something which is same, at the right hand side also, it should show the same value. Yeah. If not, then we will use a scaling property to make them equal. Yeah. Let me show you this In lecture number 2, you remember, A is to B is 2 is to 5, B is to C is 4 is to 3, and then we made them equal by cross multiplying. Well, we did not have B equal here, 5 and 4, so we had to multiply. But in this case, in this question, at right hand side, it's also same, right? Here number of rupees 2 coin is 7, and here also number of rupees 2 coin is 7. In both condition, the left hand side element is showing same right hand side value. Yeah, so no need to rush. So in that case, I can write all in one expression. Yeah, all in one expression, like rupee 1 coin is to rupees 2 coin is to rupees 5 coin, that is equal to 5 is to 7 is to 6. Yeah, we can say if number of coins for rupee 1 is 5, then number of coins for rupees 2 is 7. If number of coins for rupees 2 is 7, then number of coins with rupees 5 should be 6. So we said 5 is to 7 is to 6. I hope this is clear to you. Now here we got a value that with this information we can say the number of coins, actual number of coins for rupee 1, there are 15 coins, right? I will use this information to find out the number of coins with denomination 5, rupees 5. All right. Okay, how do I do that? I can use the chain rule. Yes. So here given, you remember chain rule? If not, go to lecture number 1. Given ratio, and here the number of coins. Excuse me for my beautiful handwriting. I hope this is at least readable. Okay. So for now given to us rupee 1, which ratio part is 5, and the number of coins for rupee 1 we got 15. What do we need to find? Let us find for rupee 5, where the ratio part is 6, and the number of coins we need to find out. Yeah, chain rule, how do we find out? Cross multiply. Yeah, so let's cross multiply. What do we get? 6 into 15 divided by 5. Yeah, cross multiply. So 6 into 15 equal to 5 into this question mark. Yeah, you want to assume this to be x, you can, but as I said, I am not big fan of assuming variable until unless it is very necessary. So this question mark, to have this question mark, I will take this 5 in denominator, change the side. So we got 6 into 15 by 5. This is 3s. That's how this question mark is nothing but 18, right? What is this question mark? The question mark is number of coins with denomination of rupees 5. This was rupee 1, right? We got the number of coins here. Oops, I should hide this. Next question. Let's focus on question number 1 right now. Okay, so the number of coins here, we got number of coins having denomination rupees 5, they are 18. What do we need to find out? We need to find out value of coins, value of rupees 5. That's what we need to find out, right? This is the question. Find the value of rupees 5 coin. So if number of coins are 18, then value of rupees 5 coin should be 5 into 18, right? If you got 18 coins of rupees 5, how much value will it make? 5 into 18, right? That will get you what? 90 rupees, right? I'm sure you got the same answer. Okay, so here we have rupees 90. That's your first question answer. That is pretty easy question. I hope all of you are able to get this. The scaling property here, we don't have to scale up because this 2 rupee coin in both equation number 1 and equation number 2, in both equation rupees 2 coin shows same portion, 7 here and 7 here also. So we can write in one expression, rupee 1 is 5, so rupees 2 is 7, rupees 2 is 7, then rupees 5 is 6. So 5 to 7 is to 6 for rupee 1, rupee 2, rupees 2 and rupees 5. Then with this information, last information, we can find out the number of coins which rupee 1 has, rupee 1 denomination has, and then by using chain rule I got the number of coins which rupees 5 should have, right? Okay, with that, cross multiply, find the number of coins for rupees 5, and then to find the value of rupees 5, multiply the denomination with the number of coins. I hope that's clear. Great. Okay. Question number 2. Let's solve this. A father distributed some chocolates amongst his 4 children. Kept some with him. Okay, fine. The eldest 3, so he has got 4 children. So eldest 3 children got the chocolates 3, 11, 7. Okay, now here I am feeling like to assume some variable just to make presentation good. Okay, so let's say the 4 children are A, B, C and D. 4 children. Okay, first 3, the eldest 3, let's say these are the eldest 3. Okay, as per the question, A is to B is to C, the number of chocolates. What are this? A, B, C, D. We assume them as number of chocolates. Alright, number of chocolates. Yeah, A, B, C, D. Alright. Given in question, 3 is to 11 is to 7. Okay. The total number of chocolates with father and youngest child. Who is the youngest child? The one who is remaining, we have not considered. Youngest child, let's say D. So, yeah, so the total number of chocolates with father and youngest son, youngest child is 3 times the total number of chocolates with 3 eldest children. Let's form the equation with this. Okay, so total number of chocolates with father, let's assume to be F for father, plus the youngest child, let's say D here. As per the question, this is equal to thrice the total which 3 eldest got. Yeah, total which 3 eldest got. So I hope these 2 equations are fine with you. Equation number 1 and 2 are fine with you, right? The ratio of chocolates with father and that with all the children is 3:4. Okay, so all the children means A plus B plus C plus D, all that is in ratio 3:4. Okay, so can I say here F is to, okay, father ratio with A plus B plus C plus D equal to 3:4. If you are following me, trust me, this looks complicated, but I can solve this by using some shortcuts. Just stay with me. Find the total number of chocolates if youngest child has 81 chocolates with him. The youngest one has 81 chocolates with him. From here, we can get some numbers with us. Alright. So, now to solve this question, I will use assuming method. Yeah, I'll use assuming method. Okay, you can see the portion method has no role because you don't have the value of total. Then chain rule, it does not relate directly. If A is 15, then B is how much? Does not relate directly. So let's use assuming method here. Okay, now pay attention. A, B, C ratio is 3:11:7. Pay attention here. So I am assuming here when if I solve this in exam, I won't write all this equation. I can look at the question and start assuming, because I know that after reading the question I will understand that I need to use assumption method. So let's say A, you remember assuming method, the portion of its respective element. So A is 3, so let me assume A as 3x. Yeah, assuming method. B 11x, and similarly C we got 7x. All right. Now, can I use them? Can I use them, all of them here for equation number 2 to find f plus d? Let's see what do we get. So f plus d by equation 2. By equation 2, f plus d is equal to thrice of a plus b plus c plus d. Yeah. So I'll skip the step. I will not write a plus b plus c plus d. Okay. I know a is 3x, b is 11x, c is 7x. Addition of all. Equation number 2. 3, 11, 7. That will get you 21x. Right. That will get you 21x. I hope this is clear. So f plus d, got this. I can say f plus d equal to 63x. Right. Now let's see next what do we have. We got this third equation, which is a new relation of f with all the children, that is 3:4. Yeah, that's 3:4. All right. So if I am going to take this equation, I need to and I apply. If I want to use the assuming method, I need a new multiple constant. I can't use x again, because x we have used for equation number 1. Yeah, multiple constant for equation number 1. So if I am using for equation number 3, I need a different multiple constant. You can use y in that case. Okay. So the ratio here, by assuming method, I can say f is equal to what? 3y. F is equal to what? 3y. And all of them, a plus b plus c plus d, that portion is what? 4. So I can use what? 4y. Right. Now if I add both of them, I'll show you what we gain by adding both of them, because here if I take this to be, let's say, equation number 4, yes, yeah, equation number 4, I have f plus d, which I can get by adding them, f plus d, right? So I have a plus b plus c plus d plus f equal to 7y. Yeah, I can make it even shorter, but still I think you are not very much prepared to skip more steps at the same time. I could have said f is to all is 3:7. That means f is to all children, that is 3:7. That means entire family makes what? 3 plus 7. That means total of 3 plus 4. That means 7 portion. Let me repeat this. I could have said f plus all the children, f is to all the children, that is 3:4. That means the entire family's portion here should be 3 plus 4, that is 7. And I could have used that. Okay, but let's stick to this. And here also you can see f is 3y, understood. All the children 4y, that's clear. If you add, this is what I mean, all the family together, father plus all 4 children, that makes 7y. Yeah, 3 plus 4. Now if I substitute f plus d from the equation number 4, that is 63x, and we are about to get the answer, so please stay with me. And a plus b plus c, I can take it from the old assumption, the value of a plus b, a, b and c, 3x, 11x, 7x. That will get you 21x if you add all of them. Yeah, how do I know? Arey abhi to kiya, 21x. Yeah, to form this fourth equation, taking from second equation, a plus b plus c. Yes. Okay, so remember your previous calculation also, that is 7y. Now by this equation we will be able to relate the multiple constant of these two equations. That means a relation between y and x. So this will get you total 84x, y equal to, I take 7 down here, you know 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So y equal to what? 12x, right? Let's come back to the question. Question said the youngest child, that means D, remember D got 81 chocolates. Alright, we are going to get the answer now. Y equal to 12x, right? That means 4y we can find in terms of x, and we know ABC, right? We know ABC, right? So if I substitute that, I can get the value of D in terms of x. I can get the value of D also in terms of x. See, how is it going to help you? How is it going to help you? If I say A plus B plus C plus D plus F equal to 4y, where y equal to 12x, if I substitute y equal to 12x here, I am going to get 12x here. A plus B plus C, I know that is 21x, we have done multiple times here. D I want in form of x, so I'll keep it like this, right? That's not plus of f, that's only with the children, right? A plus B plus C plus D, that makes 4y. Thank you, thanks for correcting me here. Okay. So I can get this value of D as 48x minus 21x. That is equal to what? That's equal to what? Subtract. This is 27x. That is the value of D. As per the question, what is D? D is the number of chocolates which the child name D has, right? So D is 27x. As per the question, this D is equal to 81. As per the question, the youngest one has 81 chocolates. Yeah. So 81 equal to 27x. That's how x will be equal to, yeah, you cancel by 27. If you want to, or you can cancel by 3 also. Yeah, you can cancel by 9 also. But if you cancel this here, you get 3s up. Yeah, 27 into 3 is 81. So x is equal to 3. Oh, we got the multiple constant value x. Alright, now everything is easy. We need to find the total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolate, that means having all the family together. If you remember, having all the family together, we have all the family together here, the value in terms of x. Yeah, A plus B plus C plus D plus F, including father, 21x plus 63x. That means the total chocolates, including all, in terms of x should be, you want me to write this? Okay, I don't mind writing again, but I advise in exam don't write all the steps. There is no step marking, guys. Okay, 84x, x is equal to what? 3. Yeah, multiply by 3. 252. Yes, we got 252. 252, do we have that as in the option? Yes, 252. Yes, option number B is the answer, right? Option number B is the answer. I hope that is clear to you. So understand the concept. Yeah, I can make this question solution shorter, but as I said, you need to shortcut means what? Skipping steps. I can skip more steps here. I'll tell you how. I hope this ABC assuming method, this is clear. I'll use the assuming method here. f plus d is equal to thrice of them. So here I assumed a, b, c as 3x, 11x and 7x. While reading the question itself, I will not write this. I will directly say a is to b is to c is 3, 11, 7. I will directly start from here. So I assume a is equal to 3x, b equal to 11x, c is equal to 7x. So I skip this first. Then I will write the next equation, which is f plus d equal to thrice of all three of them. So f plus d will become thrice of sum of all. So 21 into 3, 63. So I will write directly this step now. Okay. So I won't write this, I will write directly this step. Okay. Then the next condition was the ratio of father's share with all four of them, 3:4, 3y and 4y. If we add all of them, we got 7y. This I will write. So I will write this equation directly, that adding all of them, because it is 3:4, that will give you 7 as total portion. But I need another variable, so I will use y here. And then I will substitute a, b, c. I know f and d, we got it here. Substitute, and then I will solve this properly. I will get the value of y in terms of x. This I will do religiously. Okay. Now, given value, given is what? The number of chocolates with d. So now my next step should be to find the value of d, standalone, the value of d. That means, what do I don't want? I don't want, if I look at this, I don't want a, b, c. So I can get d directly. Alright. So for a, b, c, I have the value 21. I'll get the value of d in terms of x. That I will equate. Yeah, I will substitute the value of y here, and that I will equate here. Get the value of x. Once I have the value of x, I just need to find the total number of chocolates in terms of x with all the families. So that we had from solving this particular step. Yeah, so I hope this is clear. And then we multiply simply and we get this 252. Alright. Yeah. So I'm also trying to explain you which are the steps you can skip. Okay. It's not only getting the right answer, it's getting the right answer with the right solution and in a shorter way. Yeah, that's also important. So I hope that's clear. If not, please rewind this question number 2 once again. Okay, let's see question number 3. Pause this video, try to solve it by yourself. Okay, rest of you, let's solve together. Solution. The ratio of salary of A and B is 5:7. B is to C is 3:7. Now here, see, I am trying to make you understand how do I pick up the information and skip some steps. Now when I say A is to B here, that is 5:7. B is to C here is 3:5. B is common. So here B is showing the second value 7. Here B is showing the first value, which is 3. So I know I need to apply the scaling property here. The cross multiply. Remember last number 2. Remember this. B having different values. If not, go through that once again. The salary of A is 1,65,000 and C spends 28.56%. C spends 28.56%. ये थोड़ा सिमिलर, ये थोड़ा familiar होना चाहिए आपको, because you know this 28.56%, it looks very ugly, but if you remember my percentage class, in percentage class I have discussed the fraction percentage table where 1/7 is 14.28. Okay, 14.28. Come back to this. 14.28. Now 14.28 ka double if you make, that will get you 28.56. Yeah, it's very important to practice that fraction percentage table. So I'll make one video only practicing, like not solving question, only practicing 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. You know, you should be familiar with all these numbers. So see, if you are familiar with 1 by 7 is 14.28%, and you know 14 double is 28, 28 double is 56. So you will be able to guess it easily that this is nothing but 28.56% is nothing but 2 into 14.28%. Okay, and don't worry, we have not done many classes as of now, many lectures as of now. By the time you are done with this entire or maybe say even 50% of this entire lecture, entire course, you will be familiar with, you will be comfortable with numbers. Okay, so the only thing is you need to remember the result of previous calculations. Yeah, try remembering that. So 2 into 14.28%. What is the fraction value? 1 upon 7. So 28.56% is nothing but 2 by 7 as a fraction value. So I keep on relating this while reading the question. Abhi tak we have not started solving the question. Yeah. So C spends 28.56%, that means 2 by 7 of his salary on rent. Now when I am reading this, I will also calculate. Ek baat batao, if expenditure is 2 on 7, that means out of 7 he is spending 2. That's what fraction means, right? He spends what? 2 by 7, that means he is spending 2 on total of 7. That's what we can assume. That means if he is spending this much, so he should save how much? Fraction mein batao. Tell me what should be fraction value of the saving in that case? 2 is spent out of 7, then that means 5 should be saved out of 7, isn't it? Yeah. Still we have not started solving, we are just understanding the question. So this is all, these are the things I calculate while reading the question, and I want you all also to learn this. Yeah, then only you will be able to save a lot of time in exam and you will be able to crack the exam. Okay, let me not bore you more. Okay, so how much money is left with C after expenditure? That means how much is his saving? Saving is what? 5 by 7 of his income, we know that. Expenditure on rent. So 28.56 of his salary he spent on rent. Okay, let's see what information do we have. Okay, now we have been given A ka total salary. We will relate with that and find C ka total salary, and then with C ka total salary we will find the saving of C is 5 by 7 and get the answer. So these are the steps we are going to follow. Let's solve this. So here we have, okay, A is to B, that is 5 7. Yeah, to relate A, B, C, like relate with A and C, I need to make the comparison proper, and will have to make the equal variable showing equal numbers, right? If they are not, we'll cross multiply. Yeah, we'll cross multiply. Here I'm just trying to relate with the scaling property. Okay, so I am going to multiply this 3 here entirely, and I am going to multiply this 7 here. Yeah, ratio, you can't only multiply one number, you have to multiply with all. Okay, so what do we get? A, B, C. Let's write, let's not spend more time in writing extra steps. So A will be 5 into 3, how much? 15. B will be 7 into 3, how much? 21. B is how much? 7 into 3, same, 21. That's what the scaling property does, right? They make the same variable, same element having a same value at the other side in ratio. Achha, C is how much? 7 into 5, 35. Can I relate A with C here? Yes, I can. 15 and 35, right? So what do? I say A is to C is 15 and 25, 35. Now A's saving salary is given 1,65,000. Relating with that, I can find C ka salary. Okay. So as I said, this I have done for you to revise or maybe say relate with the scaling property. Otherwise, okay, well, first cancel the 5 3s and 5 7s are. Otherwise, you know what I would have done. I know I don't want B. I don't want B. I just want A and C. So I could have also done like this. A by B is 5 by 7. B by C given as 3 by 5. If I multiply both of them, if I multiply both of them, what will I get? I will get A by B into B by C. A by B into B by C. Now see, I don't want B. By doing so, I am able to eliminate B directly. Yeah. So why will I simply spend my time in the scaling here? Okay. So the reason showing this scaling property here just for you to revise and showing this method so that you know that I am going to skip this step also. Okay. So here I got A by C as 3 by 5. Yeah, same thing here. Okay, because I can eliminate B by multiplying them. All right. So you can do this also. You can do this also. You can do scaling property also. It's not wrong, but for this particular question, it's going to add some extra time. You know, it's going to add some extra time here. Save time. Well, that's fine. So far, so good. Now A given 1,65,000. C we need to find out. Now this what are we having this ABC? We are having this ABC as salaries, total salaries, right? So by solving this, what am I going to get? I am going to get total salary of C. So C ka salary will be cross multiply 165 with 3 zeros, multiply by 7, divide by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 with 3 zeros as it is here. 55 into 7 will get you what? 385 with 3 zeros. That's amazing. So that's this C's salary, 3,85,000. Now, is that your answer? No. Question said find C's saving after spending on rent. So, do you remember on rent? C spends 2 by 7 of his salary on rent. So, how much is remaining after paying the rent? 5 by 7, right? So, I will simply find after paying the rent. Yeah. So, how much is left with C? Left with C is 5 by 7 into 38, 3,85,000. Yes. Cancel again. You know, this 7 which we multiplied, we are cancelling that again. Yeah. We are again getting what? 55,000 here. Okay. Now multiply 5 with this 55. What you get? 275,000. 2,75,000. That is what will remain with C after paying the rents. That's what we need to find out. Yeah. 2,75,000. This option number D is your answer here. Okay. Yeah. So where all you can save time? You can save time here. And you can save time in this calculation also, you know, because we at the end we had to divide it by 7. So we would have not multiplied by 7. We would have kept it same. Division would have been easy. And then see, that's it. Okay. So I hope you have learned something from this lecture. We have solved only 3 questions and I am solving in length so that again to make your foundation stronger. Yeah, and as and when we keep growing, we'll keep solving more questions. I'll keep skipping steps so that I can show you how do you solve in the less number of time. Right now we are just training our brain, yeah, training our brain to how to read the question, how to pick up the information from there, how to use the information or the learning from previous lectures, right? So this is it in today's video. In next video I am going to solve more practice questions with you. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.